Good morning, students. Today we have to solve the next exercise, 11th B exercise. In 11th B exercise, question number first. If in a parallelogram the diagonals are equal, if in the parallelogram, suppose this is a parallelogram. If in a parallelogram, suppose ABCD, diagonals are equal, it is given. If in the parallelogram diagonals are equal in length, then we have to given that given diagonal AC equals to diagonal BD. Okay, and intersect at right angle means this is a 90, 90, 90, 90. It is given. Then prove that parallelogram will be a square. Okay, we have to prove that parallelogram will be a square with the help of that key. In a parallelogram diagonals are equal in a length and intersect at right angle. Prove that parallelogram will be a square. We have to prove that. Okay, and we know that in a parallelogram all sides are equal and each angle are 90 degree. We have to prove that. In this type of equation, firstly you have to know properties of the parallelogram: square, rhombus, rectangle. So we can solve easily. In that question it is given AC equals to BD and it is given this is a 90. With the help of that we have to find it is a square. So how to find? All sides are equal. We know that the definition of a square, all sides are equal and each angle are 90 degree. We have to prove this. Okay, now diagonals are equal, then the diagonals property of a parallelogram, diagonals are equal, ये गिवन है हमको. एंड द डायगोनल्स प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम, डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, यानी कि जितना ये होगा उतना ही ये होगा. सपोज ए सी इक्वल्स टू 2x, लेट ए सी इक्वल्स टू 2x. तो यहाँ से हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? बी डी इज आल्सो इक्वल्स टू 2x. ओके, और ए सी 2x हो गया तो सपोज दिस द पॉइंट ओ, देन ए ओ इक्वल्स टू ओ सी. तो ए ओ इक्वल्स टू एक्स बाइसेक्ट करेगा ये अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. तो एक्स एक्स, सेम प्रोसेस, बी डी इक्वल्स टू 2x. सो डी ओ इक्वल्स टू ओ बी एंड इक्वल्स टू एक्स एक्स. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AO equals to BO. ये भी x है, ये भी x है, ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड each x, second OB equals to OC, each x, and this angle is 90. It is given angle AOB equals to angle BOC, each 90 degree. So triangle AOB congruent to triangle BOC by side angle side property. If they are equal, then AB equals to BC by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, and by CPCT, if AB equals to BC and we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite side are equal. So AB equals to CD, opposite side of a parallelogram, and BC equals to ED, opposite side of a parallelogram. But we know that AB equals to BC, AB equals to BC, AB equals to BC. So AB equals to BC, and we know that BC equals to ED, and we know that AB equals to CT, तो AB equals to CD, so all the side are equal. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी पूरी हो गई स्क्वायर की, ऑल द साइड आर इक्वल. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ईच एंगल आर 90 डिग्री. हाउ टू प्रूव दैट? वी नो दैट दिस ट्रायंगल, दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. ओके, या आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि this angle and this angle are equal, because we have to prove that both in this triangle, in triangle AOB, AO equals to OB, so it is isosceles triangle. And suppose opposite side of OB is y, this angle is y, then this is also y, because property of isosceles triangle. Opposite angle of equal side is also equal, then sum of all interior angle y plus 90 equals to 180 degree. So 2y equals to 180 minus 90, 2y equals to 90 degree, so y equals to 45 degree. So y equals to 45, this is also 45. Okay, and we know that this and this triangle are congruent. This is a 45, then this is also a 45 by CPCT. या फिर आप इस ट्रायंगल में भी सेम ऐसा ही कर सकते हो जैसा आपने यहाँ लगाया है, सेम टू सेम. सेम इन ट्रायंगल BOC, similarly we have to find similarly एंगल OBC, वैसे ही फाइंड करना है, सेम टू सेम, इज आल्सो इक्वल्स टू 45. सो 45 प्लस 45, एंगल ABC इक्वल्स टू 45 प्लस 45 इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. एंड ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. वी नो दैट इफ इट इज़ अ 90 डिग्री देन दिस इज आल्सो 90, बिकॉज सम ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम इज 180 डिग्री, और ये 90 हो गया तो 180 माइनस ये 90. सो एंगल BEC इज आल्सो 90, एंड ये 90 तो इसका अपोजिट एंगल 90, ये आल्सो 90. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए स्क्वायर, ऑल साइड आर इक्वल एंड एनी वन एंगल आर 90, तो ईच एंगल ऑटोमेटिकली 90 हो जाएगा. दिस इज द प्रूफ. ऑल साइड ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल, and each angle 90 degree, 90 degree, so it is square. Okay, now we have to find next question number 3rd, second part. Diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle. Diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle. Suppose it is a rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus at right angle. Suppose A, B, C, D. It is given it is a rhombus, means indirectly it is given all sides are equal. Okay, and now we have to prove that diagonals of a rhombus at right angle, we have to prove that this is a 90 degree, 90, 90, 90. We have to prove that. How to prove that? देखो, it is given it is a rhombus, so all sides are equal. Okay, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA, and we also know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. So suppose AO equals to OC. Okay, AO equals to OC, this equals to this, it is given, and this equals to this, it is also given. Now we have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, now in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC. AO equals to OC because we know that diagonals bisect each other. जितना ये होगा AO उतना ही OC होगा. OC diagonal of rhombus bisect each other. Okay. Now AB equals to BC. Side of rhombus. Side of rhombus are equal. Now third one, BO equals to BO. Common side. BO equals to BO. Common side. Then triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOB congruent to COB by side property. It is a congruent, and if it is a congruent, then this angle and this angle are equal, then angle AOB equals to angle COB. Suppose this angle is X. Now according to situation, angle AOB plus angle COB, AOB plus COB, this is a linear pair angle. This is the line AOB plus COB. AOB plus COB equals to 180 degree because linear pair angle. एक ही लाइन पे दो एंगल उनका सम 180 डिग्री होता है बिकॉज सपोज दिस इज द लीनियर एंगल, दिस एंगल प्लस दिस एंगल, इनका सम 180 लीनियर पेयर एंगल. ओके, नाउ वी नो दैट दिस इज द एक्स, दिस इज आल्सो एक्स, देन एक्स प्लस एक्स equals to 180 degree, 2x equals to 180 degree, so x equals to 180 upon 2, 90 degree. This angle is 90 and we have to prove that. Now question number 7. The diagonals of a parallelogram intersect at O. A line through O intersect AB at x and DC at y. Prove that OX equals to y. Suppose this ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, and according to situation diagonal intersect at O, diagonal intersect at O, this is the line. Okay, O. Now a line through O intersect AB, line through O intersect AB at x and DC at y. This is given. Then prove that. We have to prove that OX this equals to OY. We have to prove that this. Now according to situation, it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Then opposite side are parallel. Okay. If opposite side are parallel, then this angle and this angle are equal because this and this are parallel and this is the transversal axis. Now solution: in triangle DOY and triangle BOX. Okay, DOY and BOX, this angle and this angle equal. Angle ODY equals to angle ODY, this angle and this angle equal. Angle OBX, this angle and this angle is alternate angle. Alternate angle because CD is parallel to AB and BD is a transversal axis which cut to them. Okay, next diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so DO equals to OB. जितना ये होगा उतना ही होगा, because these are diagonals and diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. DO equals to OB, diagonals of parallelogram. Okay, and the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so DO equals to OB. Now the next one, CD is parallel to AB, XY is a transversal axis, so this angle and this angle are equal. Angle DYO equals to angle BXO. तो ये भी कौन सा है, अल्टरनेट एंगल, अल्टरनेट एंगल. वाई? बिकॉज CD is parallel to AB and XY is a transversal axis, XY transversal axis, transversal line. Okay, XY is a transversal line. Now triangle DOY congruent to triangle BOX. BOX, which property? Angle side property. And if both triangle are congruent, then OX equals to OY by CP/CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Thank you.